Most people don't fail because life is hard. They fail because they never stopped being the weak version of themselves. The version that chooses comfort over growth, distraction over discipline, and excuses over effort. Today's video is not about motivation. It's about confronting that version of yourself, the one you keep avoiding, and finally killing it. Every human has two versions inside them. One, the weak self, emotional, distracted, lazy. Two, the strong self, disciplined, focused, unstoppable. Most people never grow because they think they need more motivation, more talent, more opportunities. But the truth is simple. Your weak self wakes up before you do. It's faster, it's louder, it's always ready with excuses. You're tired. You can start tomorrow. It's okay. It's just one day. And if you don't fight it, it becomes your identity. There comes a moment in life when you look in the mirror and you don't even recognize yourself. You see the potential, but also the pain of wasted time. You know you could have been stronger, smarter, better. You know exactly what you need to do, but you don't do it. This moment hurts, but this moment is important because this is the moment where change actually begins. When you finally admit, I am the reason for my own suffering. That sentence is the beginning of your new life. Your weak self cannot be negotiated with. It cannot be reasoned with. It must be replaced. Here's how. 1. Do the opposite of your impulses. If your weak self wants to skip the gym, you go. If your weak self wants comfort, you pick discomfort. Every time you go against your impulse, the strong version wins. 2. Build a system, not hope. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Wake-up time, work blocks, gym schedule, non-negotiable. 3. Eliminate energy leaks. Social media, toxic people, late-night distractions. Your weak self feeds on chaos. Starve it. 4. Choose difficulty daily. Hard things build strong people. Easy things build weak people. Simple. Something strange happens when you start acting like the strong version of yourself. You begin to trust yourself. You respect yourself. You stop seeking approval. You move differently. Your energy changes. Your decisions become sharper. And people around you, they feel it. You're no longer the same person who used to break so easily. You don't need a new year. You don't need motivation. You don't need the perfect plan. You just need to decide, I'm done being the weak version of myself. Because the day you make that decision, your entire life begins to shift. Your strongest version is waiting, but first, you must bury the weak one.